Today we're going to focus on the art of woodworking, father and son style.
I want Dad to wear his vest.
Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm the gun psychiatrist here, joined today by my 5.5-year-old son, which of course he goaded me into wearing this safety reflector vest. But today, what we're going to be focusing on the channel is, well, some organization issues I've been having. Woodworking, yes, that's correct. We've been having some organizational issues since we moved into this new house and have the garage set up. I'm having trouble finding a place to put everything, especially when it comes to my drills. So what I wanted to focus on today was a simple little idea. If you have a free-floating workbench in your garage like I do, you can use this little shelf to, hold tools and drill bits and all sorts of other things. When I go to build things, I don't just build things. I like to build things nice. When you go to build a workbench in the garage, why build a workbench when you can create garage furniture that matches? And that's what I like. I like to have my workshop set up the way I want it. I do like the black tops with the mahogany sides, and I think it provides a very, an attractive two-tone effect for your garage, and it just fits my style. That's me. So the one thing I like to use anytime I'm doing any kind of shelf work or work where I'm going to be mounting things in various planes, I like to use a laser level. The laser levels are pretty, actually amazing pieces of equipment. They will shoot a laser out in 3 different planes. So you can have your horizontal, you can have your verticals. They can really help make quick work of a hanging project. So what I have now is these shelf brackets, and all these are going to do is they're just going to mount to the side, probably the most simplistic design you can get. It would be highly advisable to just go ahead and score your lines so you know exactly where they're at, and that way you can shut the laser off and you're not getting that laser beam in your eyes. I'll get a scribe and just run it right across that line. So I really love using these lasers, and where I got mine,
Hey Dad, put your vest on.
I got busted out. So YouTube, Maddox, my son, loves doing projects. And not only does he love doing projects, but he also loves to do electronics projects. And what he's done for us tonight, he's come up with his own little, what do you call this thing? Is this an air conditioning system?
Yes.
Should we show him what you designed?
Yes.
Can you tell everybody on YouTube what you have going on here for your air conditioning system?
So this is my air conditioning system. A fan, like a big fan, I know. This is a small fan for a 3D printer, I think. And this is a breadboard. These are LED lights. Of course I know they are. So these are all wires for this fan and this right here. There's only 2, and this yellow wire is for the motor and this big old thing.
What do we call that yellow wire? What does it do for the motor?
It controls the motor, everybody.
Man, this is really cool. I'm glad you got this little AC system.
I'm the electronics.
That would be a good name for YouTube. So, thanks to Maddox, we actually have a nice little decent airflow under here to work to kind of keep the sweat from building up on us. Good job, buddy. Okay. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and shoot some staples into these shelves. That is going to pretty much finish these shelves outside of a few extra things. So Maddox wants to show you how good he is at running a staple gun. All right, good job, Maddox. Tell them how you did it.
I pushed down like that and then pulled this trigger right here and it shot nails into these boards.
And what do you never do with a staple gun or a nail gun?
Put it to your finger and tap this trigger.
And now what a difference all this free room and this nice little shelf down here to hold everything neatly and organized. I just love it. All right, everybody, so that was a pretty cool build. It's a nice little space saver. It really gets everything out of my way and organized, so I actually have more workspace at the end of the day. Anyways, I just want to thank you for watching me and my little helper. I don't know where to run off to. I think you found it helpful in any way or you just enjoyed it. Be sure to smash that subscribe button and smash that like button for me because it really helps the algorithm and getting the channel out there. Anyways, I'm the Gun Psychiatrist signing off, and of course, you're back. Hey, what'd you think of our little project?
Liked it. Bye, everybody. See you next time.
And God bless America again.